Welcome dear students to our English class. Here we can see some fruits. We love to have these juicy fruits. We used to peel off the fruit and then we have the fruit. And the scrap of this fruit we throw in the dustbin. Have you ever thought that these scraps can be in great use? Now let us see some uses of the vegetable scraps. These are the vegetable scraps which we normally used to throw in the dustbin. But it can be in great use. We can make a liquid fertilizer out of it. You can make chips with the veggie skins. Here you can see you can make apple cider vinegar with the help of apple skin. With the help of apple skin, you can make a juice and a tea. These are the chips of veggie skin. You can make a detergent of orange skin by grinding it and putting some baking soda in it. So dear students, here in this lesson, Wonderful Waste, we are going to learn how the cook will use the wonderful vegetable waste scraps to make the new dish. So let us start our story. Vasi Maharaja of Travancore ordered his cook, use these vegetable scraps instead of throwing them. Cook cannot deny his order. He said, "Okay, sir." The cook wasn't fixed. He cannot escape from that. And he cannot deny the king's order. Suddenly, an idea came to his mind. That is, an idea flashed across his mind. He collected the vegetable scraps, washed it and cut them into long strips. Then the cook boiled these vegetable scraps in a pot. He took out the grinding stone and then he ground the coconut, green chilies, garlic together and made a paste of it. The cook added the paste and some salt to the cooked vegetables. Then he stirred the curd. He whipped the curd and added it to the curry, that is to the vegetable. He poured some coconut oil and decorated the dish with the curry leaves. The new dish is ready. The cook was very happy to serve this new dish. Lo and behold, a new dish for the traditional feast. He was very happy to show that surprise. He said, "A new dish for the traditional feast is ready and it is known as Aviyal." He has named it as Aviyal. Aviyal is now one of the traditional dish of Kerala. We can imagine that these vegetable waste can be in great use now. The new words which have come across in this lesson is in a fix, a situation hard to escape from. Flash across your mind, sudden think of. Immediately an idea came to his mind. An idea flashed across his mind. Lo and behold means look, what a surprise. So the cook has bought the dish with the surprise and said, "Lo and behold, the new dish is ready to serve." Traditional feast means hearty meal for many guests on occasions. Now let us see some spellings. First one is coconut. Second one is green chilies. Third is garlic. Fourth one is curry leaves. Next one is vegetable scrap. Then grinding stone, and last one is curd. Dear students, you can use the vegetable scraps in various ways. You can make a mask of the waste products. You can decompose the vegetable waste to make the manure. You can use in other ways too. For example, reuse of the grape stems. You can have the grapes and the stem which we throw in the dustbin, you can use to decorate as a tree. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.